Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. In today's video, I'm just going to show you how to stop Steam from opening on startup on a PC or laptop. And if this video does help you out today, then please leave a like and drop a comment below. And also, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So in order to do this, there's actually two methods I'm going to go through. So let's get straight into it. So the first thing we're going to do is actually come down to the search bar down here. What we want to do is just click onto that and type startup. And then what should happen under best match, you should get a option called startup apps. So you just want to give that a click. And what's going to happen is it's actually going to bring up a list of all the apps that are default to startup when your computer or laptop starts up. So you can see a list of different apps I've got available set to start up. So I've got things like Google Chrome, and then things like Spotify, Skype, CCleaner, which is like a cleaner for my hard drive to keep things running smoothly. And what should happen, you should have Steam in here as well. And to actually turn it off, then what you would do is just come to the toggle button next to Steam, and you would click on it like so to turn it off. And that would disable it from starting up from this startup apps section. Now, sometimes this with Steam, it doesn't always appear on this list. As you can see, that's the case for me. And if it's the case for you as well, then what you need to do is the second method. So the second method requires you to actually open up Steam and log into your account. And then from here, what you're going to want to do is just go up to the top left-hand corner and click onto Steam. And then come down and click onto Settings. So from here, you're going to get a window open up, which looks like this. And what you want to do is just come to the left-hand side and you want to click onto the Interface option. So the fourth one down, which says Interface. And then what you want to do is come to this section down here where you've got all these different checkboxes. And you'll see what's going to happen is there should be a checkbox ticked which says run Steam when my computer starts. So what you want to do is just go and uncheck that box and then click OK. And it's not going to come up with a prompt asking you to save changes or anything. It should take effect automatically. And what's going to happen, that's going to disable Steam from now opening up on startup. So that's how you do it. As I say, try the first method, and if for any reason like me you don't have Steam appearing in the startup apps list, then just go through Steam itself. Go into the interface and untick the box in there. And that will actually disable Steam from starting up on your computer startup. So that's how you do it, and I hope you did find that helpful. If that did help, then please leave a like and drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description down below. If you go and give that a click, you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.